Welcome friends to Literature Mantra. Now in this video I'll talk about the new curriculum and credit framework which the UGC has released. Okay? And this is particularly useful for PG courses or even those students who are still doing graduation and about to go to PG courses in future. ठीक है? तो उन लोगों के लिए काफ़ी useful होगा because it will help you understand what this new curriculum is, what this new credit framework is. Now see here, ये headline देखो, UGC releases new curriculum and credit framework for PG courses. ठीक है? Higher education qualification leading to a degree diploma certificate shall be described by the NHEQF in terms of such learning outcomes. Then here there is another headline, new curriculum credit framework for postgraduate programs. And here there is another one, UGC releases new curriculum and credit framework for PG courses. और यहाँ पे देखो, the PG program framework provides flexibility for students to select courses of their interest and switch between different modes of learning. Now this is what is new about it. But before discussing this in more detail, अगर आप मुझसे जुड़ना चाहते हैं then you can connect with me on Telegram, ठीक है? And this is the link, Harsh Singh Sir Official, ठीक है? On Telegram. After that, this is a brief about me, you can read here, ठीक है? And one more announcement, if you are preparing for UGC NET English, then a new batch starts on the 1st of July. To enroll or for any inquiries, just call or WhatsApp us on this number 7678160296, ठीक है? And similarly, if you are preparing for MA English Entrance 2025, मतलब next year, we are starting a new batch from 1st of July. Now see here, ये UGC का post है on Twitter, the erstwhile Twitter, now it is called X. ठीक है, and this is the PDF that they have released. And if you want to obtain the full PDF of this, ठीक है, entire PDF is there available on my Telegram channel. ठीक है, so just go there, वहाँ पे आपको मिल जाएगा. But for your benefit, let me analyze the key points. ठीक है, डिटेल में आप बाद में पढ़ सकते हो, but understand the key important points. Now first thing that you'll get is flexible duration. ठीक है, now PG programs can be of 1 year or 2 years. This is a new change. Depending on the student's prior qualifications, a 1-year program is available for students who have completed a 4-year bachelor's program. Now, जिन लोगों ने 4 साल की बैचलर्स की हैं, उन लोगों को 1 साल के अंदर ही PG मिल जाएगी. But while a 2-year program is available for those who have completed a 3-year bachelor's program. So it will be fair for everybody. अगर आपने 3 साल का बैचलर्स किया, then you have to obtain a 2-year program. But उसमें भी एक और ऑप्शन है आपके पास. I'll just come to that. Research options. The second year of a 2-year program can be devoted entirely to research for students interested in pursuing an academic or research career. ठीक है, उसके बाद देखो multiple entry and exit options. This is the new addition that they have made. Students have the flexibility to exit after completing the first year of a 2-year program and be awarded a postgraduate diploma. Now, अगर आप 2-year program में enrolled हो in PG courses, but for some reason if you are unable to finish or complete the 2 years, then 1 साल के अंदर भी आप post graduate diploma कम से कम लेके exit कर सकते हो. आपका 1 साल waste नहीं जाएगा. After that, credit based system. The framework follows a credit based system allowing students to earn credits for courses completed. This provides flexibility in choosing courses and enables students to transfer credits between institutions. ठीक है, ये तो पहले भी था, but अभी भी है. उसके बाद एक और चीज देखो, फोकस ऑन इमर्जिंग फील्ड्स. द फ्रेमवर्क एनकरेजेस यूनिवर्सिटीज टू ऑफर PG प्रोग्राम्स इन इमर्जिंग फील्ड्स लाइक मशीन लर्निंग एंड मल्टीडिसिप्लिनरी एरियाज. So देखो, it is not easy for English literature students, for instance, to transition to machine learning, but now they have made it possible. Now you don't have to have a technical background to pursue a career in machine learning. So depending upon your talent, your skill, transitioning between different disciplines is possible. ठीक है, multidisciplinary हो गया है and transition is now possible. So overall, the new UGC curriculum and credit framework for PG courses aims to enhance flexibility, provide diverse options, align PG education with the goals of the NEP 2020 National Education Policy. It aims to empower students to choose courses according to their interest and career aspirations. Okay? So the new framework is actually going to be beneficial. And before I end, if you are preparing for Jamia's PG English entrance for next year, we are starting a new batch from the 1st of July. For inquiries or enrollment, just call or WhatsApp us on 7678160296. Okay?